In many parts of Asia, farmers utilize a free-range system for raising chickens, particularly in hilly or mountainous regions at altitudes ranging from 800 to 1,500 meters above sea level. This model allows chickens to roam freely, foraging for natural food sources like insects, grasses, and seeds, which contributes to their overall health and flavor. To supplement their diet, farmers provide about 20% of their feed through corn, vegetables, and other grains. This balanced approach not only enhances the chicken's nutritional intake, but also supports sustainable farming practices by reducing reliance on commercial feed. Additionally, free-range systems can lead to better welfare for the animals and a lower environmental impact, making it a popular choice among many farmers in these regions. Free-range chickens in hilly regions, while producing only about 100 to 120 eggs per year, offer significant advantages compared to cage systems. These eggs are highly sought after for their superior taste and enhanced nutritional profile, including higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. The lower overall egg production is offset by the quality of the eggs, making them more desirable to consumers who prioritize flavor and nutrition. This system not only promotes animal welfare, but also supports local economies, as farmers can often sell their eggs at premium prices due to the growing demand for ethically produced food. Raising free-range chickens under trees offers a dual benefit for farmers. Not only do they harvest high-quality eggs with superior taste and nutrition, but the trees also provide shade and shelter for the chickens. This natural environment helps reduce stress and improves the overall well-being of the birds, leading to healthier chickens and better egg production. Additionally, the presence of trees can contribute to soil health and biodiversity, while the chickens help manage pests and contribute to natural fertilization through their droppings. This symbiotic relationship enhances the sustainability of the farming system, making it beneficial for both the environment and the farmers' livelihoods. Raising chickens under trees provides a double benefit for farmers. They not only harvest high-quality eggs, but also benefit from the chicken manure, which enriches the soil and supplies essential nutrients to the trees on the hillside. This natural fertilization can enhance tree growth, often leading to healthier and more productive trees. The symbiotic relationship between the chickens and the trees fosters more sustainable ecosystem, promoting biodiversity and improving overall farm resilience. This integrated approach not only maximizes productivity, but also supports the health of the environment. Additionally, some farmers have adopted a creative approach by raising chickens in mountain caves instead of constructing traditional shelters. By digging out appropriately sized spaces within the caves, they provide a natural environment that offers protection from harsh weather and predators. This method takes advantage of the cave's natural insulation, maintaining a stable temperature and humidity level, which can contribute to the health and productivity of the chickens. The caves also provide a unique space for foraging, allowing the birds to explore and engage in more natural behaviors, ultimately resulting in high-quality eggs and healthier livestock. This innovative practice reflects a resourceful adaptation to the unique challenges of mountainous farming. Farmers have also adapted by creating holes in the mountainside to serve as nesting and landing areas for the chickens. This model allows them to harvest eggs more efficiently, as the chickens lay their eggs directly in these designated spots. By minimizing the time spent collecting eggs throughout the hills, farmers can focus on other important tasks. This system not only streamlines egg collection, but also maintains the benefits of free-range farming, as the chickens still have space to roam and forage naturally, resulting in high-quality eggs while optimizing labor and resources. After being collected, the eggs are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo several steps to ensure quality and safety. First, they are washed and cleaned using water jets to remove any dirt or contaminants. Once cleaned, the eggs are dried to prepare them for sorting. Next, workers sort the eggs by size, carefully removing any damaged ones to maintain high standards. The eggs continue to be disinfected using ultraviolet rays, which helps eliminate pathogens without harming the eggs. Finally, a machine sorts the eggs based on their size and weight, packaging them for distribution. This thorough processing ensures that only the best quality eggs reach consumers, enhancing food safety and quality. The lion-headed goose is known as one of the largest goose breeds in the world, with adults typically weighing between 35 to 47 pounds and some individuals reaching up to 65 pounds. These geese are celebrated for their robust health and good resistance to diseases, making them a resilient choice for farmers. In the event that they do fall ill, they can be effectively treated with appropriate medications and vaccines, ensuring quick recovery. This adaptability, combined with their impressive size, makes lion-headed geese a valuable addition to many farms, whether for meat, eggs, or as companions in livestock operations. Lion-headed geese start laying eggs at around 6 months of age and typically produce 1 egg every 2 days. Each egg weighs between 160 to 180 grams, making them quite substantial. These eggs are highly sought after, particularly for their nutritional benefits, which are especially valued by pregnant women. However, their egg production is relatively modest, with each goose laying only 30 to 50 eggs per year. Despite the limited quantity, the high nutritional value and unique qualities of lion-headed goose eggs make them a desirable product in various markets.